Gotta do that thingamajigger. I need to move. I wish it was like Bonding Simulator where you can like boom you're here and boom right there. In the guard's door. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's kill this night guard. Oh frick, he saw me. She. I forgot, the night guard's a girl. See her, you see the old cane right there. Do 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 do. Oh, what happens? Oh, it's only at 6 a.m. Fudge! Fudge a duck! Fudge a frickin' duck!
She won?
Yeah, she won! Yes, the night guard frickin' won! Alright, let's bump it up to the... No. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna use Penguin. Penguin short. He's a lad.
Small.
Yeah, he's small. Like Balloon Boy.
Blue boy.
Sit here, clap my hands, and my freaking finger hurts. Alright. I am gonna kick this animatronic.
Kick the
I'm gonna
our ass.
Okay, language.
Ass.
I'm not gonna tell you language. One. Come on!
Can I take your order? Can I take your order? Can I take your order? Can I take your order?
It's kind of funny where he goes, "Can I take then Candy pops out of nowhere. And boom! Here to attack your butt. I want to get up to 11 points. I don't know. Let's play! Okay, I choose Chester. I choose George. I choose Curious George. Let's get this person. What was her name? Kelly or something? Let's get Kelly. Oh god, what's the one of workers at Martin's? Not Martin's, but Jelly. What has the one of workers at Giants hear me say that on YouTube? Let's get Kelly. And the kid's like, oh god.
That way.
I broke a pen. I'm waiting for her to look away. Going to attack you. Going to attack your butt. Oh, she saw me. Fudge. Move, you sticking robot. I gotta be quick about this. I gotta be quick. Okay. Should I boom? Check. Well, she has her camera up. I gotta wait for it. Oh no! Don't you dare! Don't you dare see me! I gotta time that. I got time where she has her camera up. So while I'm near Cam 6, I gotta wait for her cameras up.
Okay. Oh god. Fuck no, fuck no. Tyler, little Tyler.
Son of the living gun. I hate Curious George. Curious George. I'll send her playing as the freaking monkey. The monkey lost to the freaking person. Alright, I'm going to Sydney.
Why?
She's a little bit quicker about getting the freaking night guard. Okay. It's freezing up for me. Alright. Since I'm waiting for that to get unfrozen, I want to. Seriously?
What?
Now instead of just gonna drink, it automatically appeared.
Magic.
Can I? Wait. Oh, never mind. Never mind. My question is, how is she supposed to attack? What? Attack! Dang it! Thank you.
Oh, people don't be happy. Fall away.
Sweet.
I would say that the what?
Crap through the door. Forget about that. Vanilla strawberry. None. I don't think you like them. Try them. They're my treat now. Ah!
Got that. Flip it out. Right.
Oh, 450 points. Huh. Sweet. I don't think I was going that much points, did I? Was I?
Hey.
Start. Try candy.
Chicken. Fire. Come on. Okay. Got one chicken there. Stop recording. Santa.
Seriously, dude? Stop!
Okay.
I'm trying to tell you.
Eat my dog.
And Super Anonymous is behind me, sitting there being a pain in the butt. sitting there glitching up on me. Maybe I have to beat him 8. Now roll attack.
Keep going. Keep going.
Boom! Attack! Wait, what was there other character I missed? Anyway, I'll check later. Was it the puppet? Brownie puppet? Feels like I'm missing a character now. Hey, where's the remote button?
Can I take your order? Can I take your order? Can I take your order?
Holy crap! That freaking dude under that. Hey Lou!
Penguin goes, can I take your order? He can't attack fully. The only thing he can do is say, can I take your order? Can I take your order? Where Candy can hear. Candy comes in and goes, boom! Chicken soup and attacks the person. Is there any other kitchen? Alright! 1,000 points for him! I thought he 1,000 points. Let's bump it up to Turklive. There was blank.
That's how I'm popping.